Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we hide and unhide the grid lines. But first, let's understand what is grid lines, guys. Guys, as you can see, this is the vertical line and this is the horizontal line. And this is what grid line is. The vertical line and the horizontal line is called grid lines. And the intersection, by intersecting the vertical and horizontal line, a box formed which is called cell. Okay, so how to hide and unhide? Now it's unhidden, and to unhide it, what we're gonna do, we'll just press data, we'll just click here, view, and here in the show group we have an option grid lines, and by default it's checked. So to hide it, we'll just uncheck it and it's hidden. As you can see, there are no more grid lines. Okay, so to again unhide it, what you can do, we'll just check it. Get it? So this was, guys, to hide and unhide grid lines. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.